All right, it says here your last job was as an attacker in the raid against the spider dungeon.
This is about to get intense.
You're not a dish, you're a man.
This week on the Shout-Out Wall, Roxy, MG Plays Games, Shamika, Galaxy Sweden, Jeff, I Am a Pegashin, Alex, Josh, Random Stuff, Emily, Samayo, Paul, Ashton. If you'd like a shout-out in the next video, like and subscribe and let me know in the comments below.
Loretta, what is that?
I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet, I feel that hot blood in my body.
Peppa and George are punching Granny and Grandpa Pig today.
Silly old lady. Disgusting! Old Grandpa Pig. Ow! That hurts. Grandpa, what are you doing?
I'm
Farting
on the garden. I drop
my guts
on the ground to
kill
flowers. Then I cover the seeds with...
Blah, blah, blah. This is boring.
Oi! Get...
stuffed.
Oh, where have they gone?
Peppa and George have disappeared.
Dun 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 dun. Yeah! Good answer.
This sucks.
That's strange.
A little bird is eating Grandpa Pig.
Ah! Oi!
Oh!
Get off! 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 Ah! 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 Get off!
We need a scarecrow that
Kills.
birds.
What a
Moron.
Granny Pig. I'll make one.
Bye-bye, little birds.
This is Grandpa Pig's garden shed.
Hooray!
Mr. Scarecrow is ready.
The little birds are going to die.
Yes, they must
Die.
Mr. Scarecrow will
Kill.
them off.
It worked. Mr. Scarecrow has
Killed.
the little birds.
Hooray! Good. Scarecrow, good. Now my Scarecrow will
Destroy.
everyone.
A painful death.
Mr. Scarecrow has
Killed.
everyone.